Hello everyone, I am Bhargav. I am from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch from STM CT Dharo. In this video, I am discussing about how to rotate a DC motor with constant speed and change the direction with a switch. For this, I am using ARM7 TDMI kit to rotate the DC motor. So ARM7 TDMI has high performance 32-bit RISC microcontroller with thumb extension, and it also has 512 KB on-chip flash ROM with IN system. So it has two device controller system, two UARTs and two I2C serial interfaces, and two SPI serial interfaces. So another hardware hardware component I am using is DC motor. So it has two parts, one magnet and one is stator and armature part. So this DC motor will be converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. The armature and stator are the two main parts of this DC motor. Armature is the rotating part and stator is the stationary part. Armature coil is connected to the DC supply. When this armature coil will rotate through this and it will convert the electrical energy and into mechanical energy. So in this page I am displaying circuit diagram. In I am connecting port. We know that LPC214 had two ports, port 0 and port 1. I am using here port 0. So I am connecting pin, pin 8 and pin 11 to DC motor and power supply additionally. So now let us move to the code part and how could and see how this code will work. First, First is declaration of this library. I am including the LPC214 library to start this work. And after we move to the function declaration, I am using two functions here, clockwise and anti-clockwise. And I am declaring it void because it will not going to return anything. And another one is a global declaration of this variable. To use this variable throughout the code. And let's move to the main code. And I am setting the direction of my pins to output. So I am setting pins. IO IODIR is a GPA general purpose register to set the pin to output direction. I am setting this my pin 11 and pin 8 to output and setting the pin 8 to high initially. And let us move to this while loop. It is running always running. This while loop is running through infinite time, and I am calling the clockwise and after some delay I am calling anti-clockwise function. Now look to the function declaration part, and I am declaring the void clockwise function, and I am clearing this pin 8 and pin 11 to sometime to turn off this DC motor and setting the pin 11 to high. While setting this pin 11 to high, the DC motor will rotate in clockwise direction, and now move to the anti-clockwise function declaration part. I am setting this and I am setting this pin 11 and pin 8 to low mode and giving some delay to this, and setting the pin 8 to high mode. When setting this pin 8 to high, the DC motor will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So we have seen the explanation of our code. Now let us move to the output part. Now I am moving to FlashMagic software to upload my hex file to the LPC2148 kit. Now this is the procedure to upload hex file to the LPC2148 kit. It is starting to upload this to LPC2148 kit. Let us wait for uploading. Yes. Uploading is completed. Now let us move to how this DC motor will run. It is running in clockwise and anti-clockwise interchangeably. So, so I have implemented this DC motor video and completed the output. Thank you for watching.